So now I'm gonna try to fix Dudley Root's mouth because it quit working, and I assume it to be a wire, but I gotta take them apart. And I'm sorry it's dark, I can't really do anything about that. I have his arm stuck taped on because they kept falling off, so yeah. This one's on really well. Yeah, and it's got a screw. This one's a pretty fast and easy setup. Very easy to disassemble. But it's not easy getting them back in his box. The way you take them out of the box is exactly the order that they have to go back in the box. They can only fit in their box one way. Okay, so now let's take a look here. I have to go somewhere where there's light. Now, the mouth doesn't move, and like I said, I assume it to be a wire. It's the same company that made the swinging scarecrow last year, and we all know all those broke. And see, the mechanism is completely glued in. We have to, and there's no way to get in there, but we're gonna have to cut this whole thing. And I'm sure the wire is still hot glued to the, because these are the only wires that it would be. You see, the harness is still connected, so, and the wires aren't off there. And so I'll have to cut all around there to get to the motor and solder the wire back. Unless that's what maybe that's what these screws are for, but the mechanism is still glued and the mouth is attached.